back, everyone. Happy Friday. Almost to the weekend, and it'll feel different as we head into your Saturday, that's for sure, because we are watching a cold front move through the area. It has almost cleared the South Plains, and although we will still be dealing with that fire risk today, you notice not nearly as many of those warnings on the board. Now, mainly off to southwest Texas, that's where most of the red flag warnings are, but mentioned, that critical fire risk still is in place, but not quite as extreme because we'll have slightly cooler air, and also the winds won't be quite as strong as yesterday. But fire weather watch on the Caprock for areas including Lubbock and Plainview, Brownfield. Now, this will begin by around the lunchtime hour, extending until 7 p.m. Gaines County and eastern New Mexico, you all are under that red flag warning yet again for later this afternoon. Critical fire risk. As for those temperatures, a lot colder out there, so grab the jacket heading out the door because most of us have now dropped into the low to mid 30s. Cold front still pushing through our far southeastern counties, so a little bit of warmer air off to the south and east, like around Gale, and still in Post, low 40s. And the winds shifting out of the north, a little breezy this morning, 10 to 15 miles per hour, and they will be picking up more by later this afternoon. I'm expecting anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour sustained. Gusts at times probably closer to 35, not nearly as gusty as yesterday though. Critical fire risk for all of us on the Caprock and elevated risk off into the rolling plains. We still have the chance that any fires that do develop will rapidly spread as we head into later this afternoon, and we highly advise against outdoor burning. Now, by later tonight, behind this front, we'll see surface high pressure begin to build in from the north. That will settle in tomorrow morning. It's going to be cold. We're talking about overnight lows dropping into the 20s by tomorrow morning with mostly clear skies, and it's going to stay cool throughout the day as this high pressure remains to reinforce that cooler air with highs only in the mid 50s. Now, by later this afternoon, it's going to feel different out there, that's for sure. About 20 degrees cooler than yesterday, much more seasonable for this time of year with mostly sunny skies, still breezy to even windy at times, especially for our western most counties. And of course, we have to keep in mind that fire risk overnight. Here comes winter, mid-20s by the time you're waking up tomorrow morning. Clear skies and cold heading into the overnight hours. We will see temperatures drop into the mid-20s. Cool day tomorrow, mid-50s, and then warming right back up as we finish out your weekend into the low 70s.
So today, definitely feeling more like February
yes,
out there.
Finally. So if you're more of the winter weather lover, finally we get a little taste, and it's definitely cold out there this morning, feeling a lot different.
I was going to say, everyone's going to need the coat this morning
yes.
heading out the door. Thanks so much, Kelly.